What's going on, everybody? I'm Aaron.
And I'm Katie.
And
Jazz
today,
fingers.
Jazz fingers. Today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, what are we making?
My scream from the Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that was from that. So to celebrate the newest Jurassic World movie, Fallen Kingdom, we've decided we're gonna make our own Velociraptor claw necklaces. So what we'll be using is some baking clay, oven baked clay, some acrylic paint, agua, the agua is for the paint, and these little necklaces that are really tight on my neck but probably will fit Katie like there's no tomorrow.
Also, when you work for a communist leader,
do you want to go to Gulag?
This is what you have to work with.
Yes, she has not gotten supreme leader.
It's not even as big as my hand, and my hand is small.
You are not quite Supreme Commander yet. You will get there one day, and when you do, you will get the great brush. So let us begin, comrade. So first steps here. I bet it'll float. We all float here.
Yes, it's floating.
See, yours floats.
Like with some kind of magic trick.
At least if you get thrown out of an airplane from high speed, you land and that helps you float. First steps, Katie, is we need to get our clay out.
Oh.
And, oh god, this feels weird.
You broke it!
It's meant to break. We
Not
all
that
break.
way.
Oh god.
You ruined it! Soiled it!
Soiled it! I think this should be enough for like a base for both of us, so have fun. If you don't need that much.
I'm probably not even gonna need. You gave me the broken piece.
Okay, here.
No.
It's all falling apart on me. So first thing I need to do is just go ahead and get a chunk of this. Yeah, it feels so weird. Get a chunk of this kind of rolled out. Oh, it's all sticky. It's all sticky. Get it rolled out. God, hey, I made a dinosaur egg. That's it. That's the video. Stop the presses. We're making dinosaur eggs. Hey, at least you're getting a head start over me. I'm over here making like a giant dinosaur turd. Or something of that similar quality.
Oh, man.
So what we need to do is kind of sculpt it into the shape we want, which is...
Ah, I got under my nail.
Ew. Alright, so...
That didn't help.
First thing I want to do is I'm gonna try out this method here. Basically, I mean, yours is already starting to look like one. How did you do that? Because I'm failing at this.
I just grabbed a big chunk and rolled it in my hands.
Until it made the...
Not a huge chunk.
Just a big enough chunk to... Like that.
I took this much.
Oh wow, so yeah, like that. Alright, so... I'm hoping I can get this right. Because I am terrible at this, so... Alright, so first thing I want to do is kind of roll it out a little bit, make it pliable.
Why is it so flimsy?
It's going to be till you bake it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've never used this because I was too poor for this as a child.
Yeah, I was too. I got Play-Doh only whenever everybody else had Play-Doh. By then it was no longer popular. That is me this time. There, I'm on silent. There.
Silence.
Thank you.
He's gonna be in Colombia.
Really?
Yes. It's
When?
expensive. Sometime this year or next year. Really expensive.
Yeah.
Really expensive. It was like
Oh, there we go. I'm starting to get it now.
$98
So-
for a nosebleed seat.
Wow, that's kind of like Ghost is coming to like the Charleston area.
Mm-hmm.
And they're wanting like $60 for nosebleed, $108 for pit.
It's not bad though. I
And
can't even go see my favorite group because it's like $130 to even just to get in. Schnitzel!
Oh god, we got a cat infestation, ladies and gentlemen.
Short nose.
Yeah, the cat's got a short nose. Alright, so I'm going to take the rest of the clay here and just put it back in here. so that it stays. And I'll get your pile here.
I don't even know what this is at this point.
I mean, that looks like it. Better than mine. Mine looks like he just went to like the nail salon and got his file down a little bit, you know, and rounded. About to get him painted hot fuchsia.
So, I just saved us from having to like carve something into it.
Yeah.
Roll the ends up.
Yeah.
Side.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to get my brush real quick, and oh god, I didn't put this away properly. Whatever. I don't have time for your mess. So I'm gonna put it here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the end of my brush here. It's all
brush here.
Brush here, and just push. And it's not working, of course.
Why don't you do that?
Yeah, I got to smooth it out again. Fun, fun, fun.
You remind me of the kazoo kid. That's one of my favorite videos. My favorite meme. Schnitzy, why are you in a box?
She's the cat in the box. Shove her nose in schnit.
Oh.
You see where I was going? Wow, that's gonna be huge. Don't know if this is gonna work. Oh god, it's got. Is that a hair? That is an animal hair in it already. Great.
Yummy.
No, it's gonna get painted anyway, so whatever. Yours is looking really good. So I'm just gonna take the brush real quick and just kind of brush some striations in it.
Striations?
Yeah, that's science for marks. So
Stop being like that over there.
yeah, Helly and Schnitzy have decided to come in and growl and fight with each other. Alright, so
Schnitzy says that's her box.
yeah, she's like, I've had you first, not yours. So what I'm gonna do is just roll between this here and here until I get like a nice little wedge in between it. And then what we'll have to do is bake this once we're ready. So mine's not looking anything like what I have the picture here, but that's okay. It's okay, it's fine.
The motto for this channel is just roll with it.
Yeah. There we go. That's about more of an accurate size because their claws really... To be honest with you though, the movie kind of lied.
Yeah.
The Velociraptor really wasn't that big. It was about the size of a dog. Like a German Shepherd.
It's still pretty big compared to me.
Did you just make another small joke? Wow. Thought we were better than that.
Mine's ready.
Yep, mine's about ready. I'm just going to roll this one more time and flatten and make it even. And then I'm going to try to get that nice little depression in the middle there. Because you think it's fine, but it's not.
I was just about to make a joke about that.
Oh, Jesus.
All you gotta do is just get a teenage girl full of angst and put it right in the middle. And then you got a depression.
It just went.
You guys are sharing the box. I'm so proud of you.
For now. Pretty soon we'll hear. Anyway, we're gonna go bake these, and when we come back, we'll start painting them.
Think I can use this as a new septum?
So. So after our 15 plus minutes of baking and letting them cool, we've got our Velociraptors. Velociraptor claws. I've been watching a lot of Big Marvel. So I tried to poke a hole in mine and it didn't work out too well. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can. I don't know. But I'm just going to go ahead and paint.
An injury.
Yeah. Mine's pretty much, I tried to poke a hole in it before and after. The before just kind of sealed up immediately, and the after started cracking it a little bit. In fact, it even cracked it there, but that makes it look more like a fossil. So my next step here will be to start painting. Well, our next step. So let's get some paint on these bad boys. Alright, so Katie, what's the next step here?
Take a wire or string or whatever you want to use to connect your claw thingy to your necklace.
You sound like this one friend I have that everything is a thingy.
So you want to take the end of it and put it up here in the dip, as I like to call it.
The Diplo.
And then, how did I do it? Wrap it around.
Yeah, you went around.
And then down through it again. No, it's not working.
Might have to go a different route with yours just because it's a little bit thinner.
Yeah. So I think I'm going to start with wrapping it around in a circle.
Yeah. And then kind of bending it through like that. Yeah, that works pretty well.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't. Do you need a longer piece?
I don't think it's going to work with how mine is curved.
We could end up gluing yours if that's...
I don't know if that'll work out.
Let's see. Maybe fold it around like that. And then go behind it. And then fold it forward.
Yeah, that doesn't work with mine.
Let me see. So what we could do here, Katie, is like this right here, just kind of fold it like that, around it like that, a couple of times, and then wrap it around it like so, and then go over the top of it like that. Kind of force that on, or force that around it like that. I hear little feet. Oh, it's the third visitor we've had this week. And let's see, try to compress it around a little bit more.
Goodness.
Sadie makes the most noise out of all the dogs. There we go, Katie. Kind of do it as a half wrap like that. And then just bring this back through the under wrapping here. Kind of wrap it between that a little bit. Make it almost like a basket weave. I guess that's what a basket weave is. I don't know. I'm just using twins. Wow, I must be like tired or something.
Sadie.
Just fell over. I was like, I'm done with this day. And then like that. Yep. There we go. That's got it fixed. And then we just need to cut off the excesses. Well, I have it, and then all of a sudden I don't have it. But anyway, once we get it fixed, cut that excess off there, or wrap it around the front there, and then bend it back down in here. Anyway, something sort of like that right there, just to kind of hold it in place. Because once you put the necklace through it, which you can bend that out a little bit. Now we're going to take your necklace, Katie. I'll let you do that. And run it. We can always trim it up and squeeze it together. Just take your necklace, right through it. There you go. And there you go. Once you put it on, see, I've already gotten mine kind of done in the same kind of basket thing, Sadie. And once I get it on and around my neck, even though I have big fingers, so I actually got it in one try. It actually looks... You're not gonna try it on? Let's see if you're better at clipping that stuff than I am, because I mean, you're used to wearing necklaces like that, and I just wear like the, big thick chains. Not chains, but well, I don't know where I'm going with that. But anyway, Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of this craft. Katie, what did you think of this craft, by the way? I forgot to ask you that. I really like this one. This one was one of our better ones. You know, not like last week's. Last week's had us all melting down. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Also, click that bell icon. So, did you like today's video? If so, click right here around Peter to subscribe.
If you want to see our last episode, click here.
Yeah. If you want to see something else, you can always click on me. Oh, that tickles. Stop. Stop. Seriously, just stop. Stop it.